Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I'm doing a video to tell you about the most awesome diffuser that's currently on the face of the earth right now. So I'm really excited about this. You'd never think you'd be so excited about a diffuser, but as someone who cannot diffuse her hair to like save her life usually, I diffused it today for the most part. The roots are still a little bit wet because my hair takes forever to diffuse and I have other things I have to do, but I really want to do this video. So the curl definition, the shine, the lack of frizz. My hair never comes out this good when I diffuse it, guys, alright? So this is by CIC Beauty, and this is a 3-in-1 Universal Diffuser collection with Adept Complex Serum. It is patent pending, and this is the cover of the box. So we're going to talk all about it. I have a little bit video of me diffusing, showing you steps and everything. And if you've never watched me before, I'm a little all over the place. I do my videos usually one done through, no edits. This video will be edited only to piece together parts because I had to diffuse my hair before I did this, but I want that after. Alright, you get the idea. Let's talk about this genius product. So this is part of it, and it's gonna come off, and I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. Has 3 different diffuser choices, and if that's not cool enough, what's in this, which I've never seen before, which is like mind-blowing, like on every single level, is it comes with a serum that you put into the diffuser that helps to repair your hair and has the heat protectant in it. So when the air is coming out of your blow dryer into the diffuser, it's hitting you with the amazing liquid gold, or liquid white if you will, that is this genius serum. By the way, guys, they did give me a discount code to give to you guys. If you want this or anything on their website, use code Diane. I get no kickbacks or anything at all from it, but it's to help you guys, so save some money and enjoy this. I just love this now, and you'll never get this out of my hands. So what it says on the sheet here real quick, it's a Universal Diffuser collection combining a versatile multifunctional curl creation system with the innovative adaptive complex serum that I just showed you. The diffuser features interchangeable styling faces for styling variety and frizz-free results. It dries hair without frizz, which I think right now I'm living proof of, because usually I diffuse my hair, it's too big for me, it's too frizzy for me. Fits most hair dryers. It has the dual chamber sponges to infuse with the serum that I'm going to show you in a minute. Says that it has gentle drying of curly hair, prevents over drying of all hair textures, and that the serum infuses the hair with hydration, radiance, and natural hold to save you time while you style. Okay, so hopefully that's all the reading that I do. You're probably sick of hearing me. So to show you how it fits several dryers, let me do that first. The one not great thing about this, but whatever, it's fine, it cannot fit the Dyson dryer. I have the Dyson, doesn't work, so that's the one bit thing. But picking these up, I have 2 different dryers here just to show you how it goes on 2 different dryers. So this is a smaller little nozzle, so you just you just put it on. Don't turn it on when you put it on. You could put it on any which way, whatever's comfortable for you. Really easy. So that's dryer number 1, and I just put it on again. Dryer number 2, this is the dryer that my husband uses more. He has his attachment on here because we have opposite heads. Let me take that off. I should have done that beforehand. So that's the difference in the circumference. Real quick, difference in sizes, if you could see. So this one's bigger than that one. You could get it on this. It takes a little while, but it does go on. It's going like this, putting my fingers, there we go. And you just want to push it in, that way when you turn it on, the air doesn't cause it to come off. It's on this one too. So, fits all different types of diffusers. So, the 3 different diffuser heads, I might as well talk about my favorite one, which is already on here. This is the air drying diffuser head. So it's basically almost as if you're sitting under one of those dryers at the salon, or you're air drying. You'll see me use this at the end of the video. You just hold it to your head. It lets the air flow out gently, doesn't disrupt the curls, doesn't cause frizz, doesn't cause damage. Is amazing. My favorite one. The next one, which I haven't used because quite frankly it's scary. This is one for if you want root lift and volume. I don't like too much volume in my hair. I like to depuff my hair. So this would be one that I'm going to let like my hairstylist and my friends try out. But I guess you would go like this. It's another one. The other diffuser head that I do like, this is the bowl one, and you could see it's a deep bowl with prongs, And this would be if you really want to encourage your curls to be springy and you want to like put your hair in like this, like so. That's how this one would work. Because I try not to hit the bottom of my hair with heat because I'm still trying to grow it long, and because I like length over maximum curl definition, that's why I haven't used this one today either. Let me show you how you would put these on and off. So you have this here. There's a lock and an unlock, and you just want to twist it until it comes off like so. Really easy. Actually, before I put another one on, you'll see me do this too with the diffusing part. Those are little like pads to put the serum on. You do one dropper on each side, and that's what's gonna have that serum come out of the diffuser to protect your hair and be genius. So how to put another one on, we'll use the bowl. You want to look for the line. Where is that line? Line it up with the other line, and then you just twist it to lock. Good to go. Super easy. Nice size. I like that these diffusers too, they get like a lot of hair at once. What else? I'm just honestly so pleased with the fact that the air drying one, I could diffuse my hair and feel that my hair is not frizzy or worse than if I air dried it. Check out the website, there's more information, and now you can see the clip of me using it and diffusing. Okay guys, we're gonna diffuse my hair, so I'm gonna show you more on how to use the diffuser, set it up. It is super easy. So this is the base of the diffuser. This is what's gonna go onto my blow dryer. This is what head I'm gonna put on top of it, the one I choose to use. And these two little white squares you see here, that is where you're going to put this serum over here. And this has so many benefits for the hair, and it has heat protection, which I just think it is so cool that you're going to be using a diffuser with the heat protection coming out. So we're just gonna open this up, and you do one dropper full on each side. So let me put this down not to spill it. So hopefully you guys could see this. Hold on, I don't want to spill it, and I'm an awkward human being, but we're just gonna go. That goes in there. Did you see that? Hopefully. Well, I just released it to put onto that side, and we have another side, so we're gonna take more. Just one more dropper full on the other side right here. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at my viewfinder, and it's like the opposite way. That almost didn't go in. I'm just awkward. Alright, so that just went in that side. You just press down right above it. It's not hard at all. It smells so good. So that's the first thing you're going to do before diffusing your hair. Now I'm going with the air drying attachment. This is my favorite one. This is like the best diffuser had ever made. So how you want to get this on is there's a little like straight line there. I don't know if you'll see it on the camera. And there is a straight line with two locks here on the base of the diffuser. So you just want to line those up. And once you get them aligned, you just want to turn it so it goes to the locked side, and we're good to go. Step 2, super easy. Just put the diffuser onto the blow dryer. This just fits really nicely. You could put it on whatever way to hold it. So before I turn it on, I do want to take these clips out of my hair because they are metal and I'm about to apply heat to my hair. So that would just damage my already fragile front pieces more than they already are. Why do I have these in my hair? I've been air drying for about 3 hours or so, and the front pieces of my hair are just curlier, frizzier, more unmanageable, and don't match the rest of my hair. So by clipping them down, it stretches them out, making them look more uniform with the rest of my hair. So probably not going to show you guys the whole entire thing of diffusing because even diffusing takes a while, but we'll just show you a little. So this is what we're starting with, and let's get to diffusing. I never like using high heat because it's just too much, so I'm going to use the first heat setting on this. Low. That was high. diffusing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you liked this review and little diffusing. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you did. Don't forget to use code Diane on CICbeauty.com to save 10%, and I'll see you next time. Bye.